Okay. This doesn't really make any sense. I hear thunder behind my house, but first off, three of my radar applications are not working. Again. So I hopped on BNews9.com, and that is kind of accurate. I got a storm behind my house, which is clearly not showing up on the radar, but what I'm taking footage of right now most definitely is. Yet, the lightning I'm seeing is east of me, and the storm I'm seeing on the radar on the news channel off of the digital Doppler is coming from the Gulf of Mexico, moving my way by a hair, which most likely is going to miss me, not to mention it's really small. But last time I said that, I was completely wrong. But it's definitely moving past my general area, and I don't. I honestly don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna sit and wait. Again. Sometimes I whip out my cell phone and get some amazing footage immediately, as you can see from my other YouTube videos. Sometimes I whip out my cell phone and sit here and nothing happens. After seeing a whole shitload of lightning and then being like, oh my god, I should have my cell phone on. Just to turn it on and see nothing. Which apparently is the case right now, 2 minutes in. Which is kind of stupid. I'm probably going to delete this. Not to mention I have no idea how much time I have left to record. Fuck it. And I can't see anything. And my foot hurts. And I'm sleepy. That was fucking awesome. I really hope I just got that on video. That was a huge bolt of lightning. I'm almost certain I just got that. It went from way the fuck over here to definitely somewhere in the Gulf of Mexico. That was badass. I am not going to delete this video now. Power pole probably was definitely in the middle of that there lightning bolt power pole that I'm staring at right now, but that was, wow, that just shook my front door, my windows, I mean. That was definitely a badass lightning bolt right there. Pretty cool. Like I said, I'm facing north right now, and that bolt appeared to have came from the east, yet, wow. Once again, it seems as if it's coming from the east, yet everything on my radars, the ones that are working at least, including the News Digital Doppler station, says everything is over the Gulf of Mexico moving this way. But the direction I'm facing right now is not over the Gulf of Mexico. So I really, again, don't know what the fuck is going to happen or what's going on. It's unusually quiet out right now. 77 degrees. Feels like 80. Loud thunder, very deep. Very baritone-ish. There's probably another word for that. And, like I said, you can smell rain, but it ain't raining. And all these clouds above me are, from what I can see, are at a low altitude. And they're all just kind of floating away. All the big clouds, on the other hand, are fucking way the hell over there somewhere. And I have to pee. Never mind. Now I see the clouds. They're definitely coming from the east, too. Wouldn't surprise me if this storm breaks apart, cools down, and just leaves nothing but a whole bunch of badass heat lightning in the sky for the rest of the night, because I've seen that before. Yeah. Definitely moving from the east. Another video coming up after this. I really have to pee.